139 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add to the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. This process will continue. 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 2 0. Subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 13 how many times? 7 times 14, which is greater, so 6 times. 6 times 2 12. Subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 19 how many times? Look, 10 times 20, 9 times 20 is greater, so we have to take 9 time here. 9 times 2 18, subtract 1, so our answer is 69, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 2 10. Subtract 0 as a remainder is 0. So answer is 69.5.